Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. If you're looking for undervalued investment opportunities, I'm going to go over some here. This is technical analysis of oil and gas. And if that interests you, excites you, definitely click subscribe, join our community, give me a thumbs up if you can. So I'm going to dive right in. Again, this is only financial education. It is not advice. You guys are going to have to do your own due diligence, please. So let's jump in and look at some technical analysis for oil and gas. Here we go. So here's USO. I'm using USO just for the fact that it updates on a daily basis, but we broke out of this pattern to the upside and we're moving on higher, and it's continuing to move higher. Will it continue for a super long time? Not exactly sure, but it's looking really solid. It's been steady. It's been moving up. I'm just holding on. That's oil itself. Now here's the price of oil on a very long-term chart. We got this big old downtrend that's coming, and we are breaking out any second here. And when we break out of this, it could, come back a little bit. Maybe it hits $80, $90, $100. We may come back during the winter, and then I bet you we'll surge on higher again. I am an oil bull. As you can see, looking at history, we are coming up in what I consider to be a commodity supercycle because where the dollar is in real estate. The last one happened in 2000. And look at this. Nice little pattern break to the upside right after 2000. So we are breaking through these channels. If you can see, we broke out of this guy here. We got to break out of the next one, but we're breaking out right now. It's looking fantastic for a long-term hold. And I'm sitting in these companies not doing much. I bought them, I accumulated strong, and I'm holding. Now here's OIH. This guy, again, it's break, we go sideways a little bit and then breaks to the upside and does kind of a little impulse move higher, but it's looking good. It's moving higher. Here's XLE. It is coiling up again. Are we going to break to the upside or downside? We'll find out here shortly, but if we break to the upside, I think we're going to move up another decent amount. Could see another impulse move higher. So that's looking good. Here's SM Energy, one that we hold on the channel. We had this nice consolidation period. It broke to the upside. Have another consolidation period break. So it's stair-stepping, if you notice. Step up, step up, step up the entire way. We're stair-stepping higher. So that looks good. Centennial Development. This was one that we were talking on the channel again. It's one of my favorite companies for oil and natural gas. I bought again at the $4-ish range in here somewhere. Bought in a couple times, and we're moving on up again. So that's looking good. CPE, another one, Callum Petroleum, one of our cheetahs on the channel. Moving on higher, getting this stair step going on. It just impulse move sideways, impulse move sideways. This is a easy one to hold, easy one to make some money. Just hold on. Here's Birchcliff Energy. It's been going quite vertical here this last little one. We might see it pause for a little bit. But if oil remains strong and natural gas, I think these are going to remain pretty strong. You'll see these kind of stair-step up movements, sideways, up, sideways, those types of moves. Tellurian, another one that I hold. They're building a liquefied natural gas plant. Just hold on to this baby. Don't let it buck you off. Just hold on. It's going to keep doing these big stair-step move patterns. Higher lows, higher highs. Just hold on to this beast. Grand Tierra Energy is another one that I like. I bought it. I think we bought it back in the 30-cent range, and we've just been holding on. Just hold on to this guy. It looks fantastic. We're ready to break. There's a big downtrend line coming through here that we're about to hit. So just hold on and be patient. It'll come. Contango Oil and Gas. It was bought out by, can't remember the name of the company. I think it's International Oil or something like that. But I'm holding on. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna ride it even after the merger. Tetra Technologies, moving on higher. We do have a little bit of a bearish engulfing. If it pulls back a little bit, no big deal. It looks like it's just going to go sideways or higher. Oasis Petroleum is another one that I like and I own. They went bankrupt. I actually got caught in the bankruptcy. I knew it was a little bit risky. I put barely any money in it. And then I bought it again at about $30 right when it came out. I have warrants on it now. I think they are good at $96 or $95. And I bought some more here, but this thing's been stepping higher and it's been a pretty easy ride. So that's one I do own. Transocean. Here's another one that I own for an oil service company. It's doing all right for deep sea drilling. Northern Oil and Gas. I picked this one up recently. This one is another one that I think will do decent. I think it's an oil shale, so it's not too bad. A little higher cost producer. Athabasca Oil. We could see a little bit of a pullback here, obviously, down 9%. There seems to be a lot of money shifting around right now. They're shifting between, uranium and some other small companies. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to hold on. I'm not selling. I'm not even really looking to do anything. But this was one I think I bought down. I bought this pretty low. I can't remember where. Maybe 16 cents or something. Southwestern Energy, another one I own. We have been doing a left to right, 45-degree angle, pretty strong. I don't really have too much to say up here. I mean, it could pull back a little bit. We've got this big down day, another down day, so it might pull down a little bit, but it's going to be so small. Just let it go. And Terra Resources, this is one that somebody suggested on the channel. I bought a little bit in, and I've been holding on the entire time. But this one looks good too. All these look super strong. I mean, I don't really have much to say. They're all nice, tight contraction in the candlesticks on a daily basis, and they just march higher. That's like the easiest way to ride this bull market, is just to hold on. Because they don't really have any good pullbacks. They're not volatile. I mean, they're volatile on the day-to-day basis, but they're not super volatile from a week-to-week or month-to-month basis. Basically, just hold on, ride it higher, make money. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to make money, and the most important thing in making money is to do nothing. Let it make you money. These people who want to tweak their portfolio all the time, they make a lot less money. A lot less money. Be less of a tweaker, more of a holder. Just hold on or just don't care. Like, let it be. Be like, oh, they went down 10% today. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Oh, there's news that just came out. They're going to do this. OPEC could increase production. I don't care. I'm looking at the big picture. The dollar is what's driving this. If you listen to all these other people, they're going to make you go crazy. You just look at the overall big picture trend. Real estate higher, dollar lower, interest rates higher. We win. That's it. You just hold on. If those things are all intact, you hold on, and you know what? You join the winning team. That's what it is. Now, if those things change, we'll have to reevaluate and look to see if it's going to be a long-term change. If it's a short-term little cyclical pullback in a big secular bull market, I'm holding for the secular bull market, the 5, 10, 15-year hold. Some of these, like in copper, you could be holding for 30 or 40 years if you want. A royalty company, and just be killing it. So I'm looking at this from the big picture view. I'm ready for big money, big retirement. Let's get this thing going. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments and questions below. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.